Hi everyone, it's Vinnie Power here. So today we're going to be talking about lemon oil, and lemon oil has an incredible number of uses, but one of the main things that you can do is actually to help to clean our arteries. So if you've been on a Western diet for any period of time, your arteries probably aren't as healthy as they could be. So if you have high blood pressure or you're overweight, you don't exercise enough, drink too much alcohol, or have a lot of stress, then you're more prone to getting problems in your arteries. So what you can do is you can put 10 drops of lemon oil and just in a glass of water and drink that 2 or 3 times a day, because the lemon oil can actually dissolve the calcium deposits in your arteries. But of course you'd want to still have be looking after your diet and exercising and things like that. So lemon oil can also regulate our blood pressure, so it can actually lower our blood pressure or increase it depending on what your body needs, so it's pretty clever that way. And I used to like to take lemon oil when I go out, especially if they give you a water that's from the tap and you want to just purify that water. I just put a few drops of lemon oil into that and make it taste a bit better. Also, it's great for cleaning the air, so put it in a diffuser like this one. It's a Terra petal diffuser, and it has the timer on there, 6 to 10 drops, and that's going to last you a few hours, and it gets rid of the toxins in the air and just helps boost your immune system as well, so it's really important. Gives you energy. It's very energizing and uplifting oil. What else? It's great for helping to tone and firm your skin, so you can put like 10 drops in your toner or make up your own with a little bit of witch hazel and rose water, and that just makes your skin smoother and more toned and firm. And so lemon oil is also great as a cleaner, as you know, and getting rid of sticker tape, stickers. Like I sometimes use it after I dye my hair and there's still some hair dye on my skin, or stickers that are on things that you bought and you want to take that off, so just put a couple of drops of lemon oil on that and rub it on. So in our DIY lemon oil video, I'll talk a little bit more about cleaning with lemon. So lemon oil is also helpful for seasonal allergies, so if you're sneezing and runny noses and things like that, it's great. You can put a couple of drops in the water and drink it. Also especially powerful if you have blended a drop of peppermint oil and a drop of lavender oil with it, so that's just going to help you feel a lot better a lot quicker. Okay, so that's lemon oil. So hopefully you've got some tips from this video and you'll be able to apply some of those things in your life and in your home. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.